Have you tried this beautiful tilapia recipe? So creamy, so tasty, and so delicious. It is a must to try.
Hi, my beauties, Joanna here. Welcome to Joanna Health Official. And guess what I have for you? I have something very hot for you, and this is this beautiful tilapia. How do I clean it? How do I go about this tilapia fish? Just get ready. It is a new recipe I think you've never tried. You have to try it. Yeah, watch the video till the end, please. Don't forget to subscribe for beautiful recipes, please. Help me to comment in the comment section for more and more healthy remedies on Joanna Health Official. Today we're having this beautiful tilapia. Yes. Just look at this. How do we go about it? Just stay tuned, okay, please? Thank you.
Yes, hello. We are getting ready with our cleaning, with our tilapia cleaning. We have to clean this tilapia fully and thoroughly well. So you just get ready with me. Be patient. Please like my video, subscribe, give me more vibe to continue making good and best recipes, health recipes. Besides the recipes, the morning exercises, the morning routines, all of that I'll be doing for you guys. Just give me that beautiful support. Yes, let's continue with the video. Guys, we are almost there. We are almost there. We are almost there. Cleaning is done, and we are just now going to add seasoning and cut a little bit of lines where the salt and everything will go inside. So you cut and cut. Be careful, people, don't cut yourselves. Yeah, cooking is very difficult. Yeah, more so when you're learning, more so when you're trying to do something beautiful or special or doing something healthy. So it is pretty difficult, but what to do? We want something delicious and yummy and different from Joanna Health Official. Please, my guys, please, like, comment, subscribe, share to a friend. A friend will share another one. Yeah, please. Yeah, this one is done, and we're getting ready with the red pepper. It's time to cut our red pepper, to cut our onion, garlic, and tomato. Those are the four ingredients. Yeah, they are the four ingredients, and you have to blend them. After blending them, you have to put them on fire. They have to boil like around 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It depends on how rushy you are, so it will be easy for you. On my channel, I just want to make it easy for you. Actually, you may not boil them, and you just put fast salt only, and you go. But I want something creamy, and I want something beautiful and delicious for my beautiful people. Yeah, for my beautiful people, I want something very beautiful and colorful like me. Yes, I'm colorful, no doubt. And here our ingredients are ready from the blender. We had everything before we put in the saucepan. Everything you want to put, actually, any of your spices, because we have different tastes, so you can put anything here. I put my Reiko, my black pepper, my Maggi, my omgram. I added a few things that will make my fish tasty. I added olive oil as well. You can add vegetable oil, you can add any oil of your type, but for me this was it. And you put everything on the saucepan to boil. Yeah, after everything, you put everything on the saucepan. It will make, from my Reiko, it makes this beautiful reddish. So from your side, I don't know what best you can use. And our fish is ready for seasoning. You have to put it in the fryer, and it should be 10 minutes in the fryer. You have to be careful, because sometimes you will put it in the fryer and you will get it all burnt. All you will get it burnt from the fryer. So you have to be very curious and check about it, please. Here you see me, I added more seasoning to make it crispy. So here we add more pepper. Yeah, maybe any veg of your type. Some people don't like pepper. I like pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, and some onions. So to burn the scent, the fish scent, you can add a little of your veggies, so it may look beautiful. You may have a beautiful and creamy tilapia fish. Yeah, no need going outing. Oh, I want to eat tilapia outside. My dear, you got it sorted with your air fryer. And guys, our fish is ready. Look at that. Look at this beautiful tilapia, guys. It is so creamy, so tasty, and so colorful. Look at that.